I just spent 7 hours on a job and walked away with exactly $30 in profit. Here is how it happened and why I'm telling you this, so you don't make the same mistake I did. A customer called me for a 2017 Chevy Sonic. His son hit a curb and destroyed the front end. CV axle, sway bar link, it became Bluetooth, snapped in half, and the control arm were all toast. I quoted $700. The customer wanted to buy cheap parts online to save money. I warned him, I can't guarantee those parts will fit. I drove an hour there and an hour back twice. That's 4 hours of driving alone. I discounted my labor to be the nice guy, bringing the total down to $420. But when I went to install the customer's cheap CV axle, it didn't fit. Wrong gear ratio. Now I'm 4 hours of driving and 2 hours of labor deep with a car that's still on jack stands. The customer had to run to O'Reilly's while I waited another hour. By the time I finished, after gas, credit card fees, and taxes, I cleared $30 profit for 7 hours of my life. That's about $4 an hour. At Shift and Fix, I want to be fair. I love helping people, but this was a reminder. My time and my expertise have a value. Being the cheapest guy almost cost me money to do the work. Lessons learned. Next time, we do it right the first time.